Which dress should we pick? I like the black one more. It looks awesome.
Wait, Sue, what are you even talking about? Black? Are you serious?
Why not? It's such a cool, trendy color.
Ugh, red looks much cooler. Look, it's so bright. The red dress is what we need.
Black.
Red. Red is better than black.
But Sammy, I also like the black dress more.
You must be joking. Black is better than red? No way.
Let's try on your new dress. I hope it'll fit perfectly. I'm so excited. I'm sure you'll look amazing. Black is your color. Your long blonde hair looks amazing with this dress, too. Let's just brush it a bit. How about a couple of accessories? I've already prepared some. Take a look. Wow, you look so pretty, Barbie. Your first look is ready.
Woohoo! Surfing is so much fun! Hi guys! Ready for some surfing lessons? Just give me a minute to rest.
I need to find someone with the same amazing taste as me! Huh? Wait a second. That's her! I can see she loves the red color! Hey, would you like to take part in one cool challenge? It's super easy, I promise!
Oops, don't mind me. I wasn't eavesdropping.
So tell me more about that challenge.
You'll see soon! Good news! You've already passed the casting!
This is just what we need.
Make way, ladies! We have a new contestant!
Hey, watch out! Oh, hi, Cindy.
What's up, Barbie?
Sammy, careful! No need to be rude.
Yeah! We'll show you what real fashion is!
Ow! Ouch! Ouch! Ah!
Uh-oh, careful. Poor Cindy.
It was an accident! You okay?
I'm fine. And I really, really like this dress.
Then get up and let's get down to work! The dress fits you like a glove! And the color's perfect!
Sammy, psst. I'm not sure I can surf in this dress.
Forget about surfing! It's all about fashion and style now! Accessories! Well, what do you think, guys?
Wow, you look so lovely.
Thanks, but it's itchy.
How do we pick the winner?
Good question. I've already thought about it. We'll film my contestants, and our viewers will choose the best outfit. Hey friends, if you think the red outfit is fire, like this video. And if you like the black outfit more, subscribe to our channel. Let's see who will win. Elegant dresses are nice, but how about something different? The next look is Sport-chic. We'll show the world that the red color looks great in any situation.
Oh, Sport-chic. I got so many cool ideas. Let's start. This dress comes off. It's kinda chilly here. Hurry up, Sue. No worries. I've already found what we need. Let's check it out. We have a stylish white t-shirt and black pants. It looks even better. Wait, we forgot about shoes. But it's not a problem. Look at these white sneakers. They'll match this outfit perfectly. Ta-da! You're the cutest. I love it. And the hairstyle is totally on point. We're definitely going to win. High five, girlfriend.
Sammy, I feel itchy all over. It's so uncomfortable. When can I finally take it off?
Stay strong, Cindy. Come on, we'll figure something out.
Ah, Sammy, that feels amazing. Yes, right there. Down a bit. Oh, yes. Phew, I feel much better.
Awesome! Then we can move on. You're gonna love our sporty look. And we'll start by taking off this dress.
Finally. Dresses aren't really my thing, Sammy.
That's why I prepared the bestest sports outfit from the latest designer collection.
Enough talking. Let me put it on.
I love this vibe. It really suits you. But what could make it even better? A chic red bag! And wow, it's leather! Yes, hold it like this. And the star of our look, the most stylish red shoes!
How are you doing here? Wow, what a bag!
We're doing great! Look at this trendy lady! Classy!
They both look awesome. Someone's taking photos.
I see him!
Don't you know? You're popular now. Your videos got millions of views.
Huh? We really got popular? Look, their battle has made the news.
Really? Oh, interesting.
And we have some new starts. They launched a challenge and took the internet by storm. Our special reporter on the scene. Thanks, Ken. I'll ask Barbie right now what the challenge is. Who are you rooting for?
Of course I'm rooting for Sam. Red is awesome.
No, black is the most stylish color.
Sam, I'm with you.
Sue, black is the best.
Sue, I'm rooting for you. Black drives me crazy.
Sammy, I'm your biggest fan. I love you so much. You're the best.
Red, black, red, black.
This challenge has a great chance of becoming our next big show.
Yay!
Sue, have you heard that? Marie herself noticed our challenge. We need to try something else. Something more elegant than Sport-chic.
Right, and I have something that can help. Voila! The style is just what we need. Let's try it on. 3, 2, 1. Wow. Oh, cool. Haha.
Oh my feta, she looks stunning! Cindy, come here! We gotta hurry!
Enough, Sammy.
Oh, come on! That's not so bad!
You'll need this laptop too. It's perfect for this look.
Okay. I must admit, it really wasn't so bad.
Told you, nothing scary at all! Smile, ladies! Friends, our next looks are ready! They're more classy and elegant than the previous ones. What do you think of them? Don't forget to leave your reactions!
Yes, they matter to us.
Alright, let's keep going!
All Barbies and Kens in our city are obsessed with the new challenge.
This slime Sam is so funny.
And look at their outfits. We have to visit them. Boys!
Yes, ma'am. We're ready for the photo shoot.
And now, the coolest challenge of them all. Dancing outfits!
I've got everything ready. You'll be the star of the dance floor. That lipstick is so bright. Girl, you're gonna shine.
Yes, I already feel like dancing. This outfit is working.
You look amazing.
Hello, everyone. I'm here with a business offer.
It's Marie. She's really here. I can't believe it.
Hi, nice to meet you, Marie.
I love your designs and Sam's. You're both amazing.
Oh, really?
I think this will make her look... Ah! Maria's here! Why didn't you tell me?
Here he is.
So, what's the offer?
Look, why don't we organize a photo shoot?
Hi, ladies. How nice. We actually match. Red and black. Amazing.
Hey, I didn't get it, guys. Who won the challenge?
I'm so happy that our challenge led to such a cool collaboration!
That's right, Sammy. And we've also found out that the red color is just as cool as black. Guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Please welcome the first participant of Yearly Doll Fashion Show. And here's the second model. She looks splendid.
Ah, the guests! Even our ponies came to see this fashion show.
stylish. One day we'll be on the runway too. Pony fashion show? Does that even exist?
Hey, that's rude! Are you in some judgment mode?
We knew it, Sammy. We better get going.
Wait, don't go! We'll show them! Let's make some amazing outfits for you!
This is impossible. It is a joke, right?
Sue, it's a challenge! Let's take care of the ponies' outfits! Come on! Don't be shy! Me and Sue will transform you into real fashionistas!
So, who wants to go first? Come on. Maybe you? Anybody?
Sue, I have an idea. Who laughs first will go first. Tickle, tickle, tickle.
Here's the most laughable. Pinkie Pie, you go first.
Sue, I checked the fashion magazine. There is nothing for ponies.
It's okay. I already know what kind of outfit we'll make.
Then I'll take care of the coloring process. Here you go.
Let's see. That's not it. This too. Pinkie Pie's pink.
It is my secret mission. Ninja magic. I'll do it now. It didn't work. My ninja magic is useless.
Let me help you. Now the magic works. And you know what? I like the result.
Don't rush, Sue. We need to cut out the dress.
What? Fine. Oh, I see that you already took care of it. Let's dress up our pony. Wow!
Oh, my feta! Pinkie Pie doesn't have a mane!
We'll find the best option right now. I forgot how many we have here. Oh.
Is there anything for me? Huh? Let me try one.
Sammy, pony goes first.
Oh!
Pinkie Pie, your mane is upside down. Let's fix it.
We need a tail too. Here it is.
Great, thank you.
By the way, I have a magical brush that can add details. Catch!
Let me see. Wow, it can draw shoes and horns.
And glitter. We need lots of it to shine bright like a diamond. Let's blow it off now. So, I'm a bit tired.
Let's ask our ponies.
This is amazing! Me and Sue are the masters. Oh, my feta! What's going on?
Oh, look! Here we have a little one that likes to hide.
So beautiful! I want an outfit too! Tears, what to do? I can't take it!
Thanks for taking care of her. We will dress up our baby right now. Well, what did I say? Now let's take care of our next pony, Rarity.
Sue, what she's gonna wear?
It should be an elegant dress to highlight her fashion taste.
Super!
Let's dress up our Rarity. If there was a ball, she could go there right away.
Wait a bit with the mane. I need to add a couple of details. Yeah! So, is it okay? Not sure though. Just add the mane already.
Thanks, Sammy. And I really like the result.
Let's go have fun. Stay tuned, y'all. Rarity has a great outfit. Sue, who's next? Hey, I want to be a star too.
Baby Rarity wants to be a fashionista.
I found Rarity's clothing. And hey, someone has already prepared everything.
Great. I'm sure it was you. Now we have everything for this baby pony's makeover.
My beauty, like that you look even cooler. Yay! Sue, I'm almost done with Applejack's outfit.
Sammy, hurry up. Where is it?
No panic. Everything's ready. Woohoo!
Sammy, but the skirt needs some color. I'll fix it. Here. Now we will dress up our sweet Applejack. But where is the tail?
Hey, I already prepared it.
That's great.
Check out my hat. I look so grown up.
Baby, this hat is a bit too big for you.
Weird. I don't get it. Who ate my apple? I was so hungry. I'm sorry, Sammy.
It's okay, little one. I know how to cheer you up.
Sue, look at my cool hat. Hey, it was mine.
Here's the last touch. Now you're good to go.
Let's go to the mirror. I want to try the hat too.
Fluttershy, don't be shy. Want an outfit?
I drew everything, but you'll have to color it. It is faster like that.
easy. I'll make the most bright and colorful dress now.
Come on, Fluttershy. We want to see the outfit on you.
Yes, that's all we do today. Choosing the right outfits. Sammy, what's wrong with the mane? It's wet.
I washed it a bit, but let me dry it.
Whoops, baby. It is not your mane. That's better. The new look for a Fluttershy is finally ready.
Can I have a nice outfit too?
Oh, of course. Whoops, what's wrong?
I'm sorry. All manes just got mixed up in my head already.
Let's dress you up now. You're gonna look so beautiful.
Holy cannoli! Now you're a fashion pony team.
But more surprises are yet to come. Don't go anywhere. Okay, we have just 2 big ponies left. Let's pick the next one. And this is, Rainbow Dash.
Once I already drew an outfit for Rainbow Dash. I need to find it.
Oh, you have everything ready. Good job, Sammy.
Oh no. This dress is so boring.
We didn't finish it yet. Wait a bit.
I want to add something too. The babies did great and made a tail.
Thanks, Pinkie Pie. Baby ponies are amazing.
I will take that. Okay, I prepared the mane. Just for Rainbow Dash.
Sammy, this is for Twilight Sparkle. See? Now she looks great. Rainbow Dash, are you ready to shine bright? At any day and with no rain.
Now you, hurry up for the makeover.
Hup, gotcha. Sammy, bring our design.
I'm on it. Wait a bit. Rainbow Dash will be happy. Here it is. Ooh. Here you go.
I will add the last touch to the look myself. Like that.
So, can you take care of the dress for the last model?
Of course. Ponies, help me! Add some bright details to the dress.
Those guys did awesome! And I will add the tail and the horn.
Cool! Twilight Sparkle, it is time to get dressed. And our last pony is ready. Wait a sec. Oh, we almost forgot about baby Twilight Sparkle.
Hold on. It should be here. Yep, I found it. So, let's dress her up. Come on, come on.
Oh, give it to me. It came out great. Go to your friends now.
Then I will make everything ready for the show. We need good lighting. Very good one. Ah!
And a big runway to fit them all.
Babies too? Oh.
Let's start our fashion show. Lights, camera, action. Unexpected, so fresh.
Do you agree that ponies are fashionistas too?
This is amazing, just amazing.
Don't you wanna faint from the delight?
Oh!
And why are you still standing?
The show was a success. Give a thumbs up if you like our ponies. Bye!
Don't forget to subscribe. And we're going to the Pony Kingdom.